In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Dropbox with laptop. We're keeping this simple and clear so you can get set up in just a few minutes. First, you'll install the Dropbox app on your laptop. Open your preferred web browser and head to dropbox.com install. This page always has the latest version, which is important for performance and security. Click the download button, and when the file finishes downloading, open it to start the installer. On Windows, that's the .exe file. On Mac, it's the DMG. Follow the on-screen prompts, allow any system permissions it requests so it can integrate with your File Explorer or Finder, and then sign in to your Dropbox account. Once you're signed in, the app links your laptop to your cloud storage, so changes you make locally will sync to your Dropbox and vice versa when you're online. Next, during setup, Dropbox will ask how you want to store your files on this device. For laptops, I highly recommend choosing the online-only option. Laptops often have smaller solid-state drives, and this setting helps you save valuable space without losing access to your content. Here's how it works. All your folders and files appear right where you expect them in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac, but they don't actually download and occupy space on your drive until you open them. Think of them as smart placeholders. When you need something, just double-click it. Dropbox quickly pulls the file down and it's ready to use. Until then, it takes virtually no local storage. You'll notice status icons next to items in your Dropbox folder. A cloud icon generally means a file is online only, while a solid check often indicates it's stored locally. That visual feedback makes it easy to know what's taking space. If you work on a spotty connection, remember that online-only files need an internet connection the first time you open them. After they've downloaded, they'll be available even if you go offline. And if you ever need to keep a specific folder on your laptop all the time, you can change its availability later and switch it back when you're done to reclaim space. Once installation finishes, you should see a Dropbox folder appear in your File Explorer or Finder sidebar, along with a small Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. That icon is your quick way to check sync status and recent activity. And that's it. You installed the app, signed in, and chose online only to keep your laptop lean while staying fully connected to your files. Thanks for watching.